Hello, my name is Sahil Malik and welcome to Beginning Serverless Architecture in Azure. I'll be your instructor. This is an introductory course on Azure functions and logic apps. Serverless computing is all the rage these days. But why? The thing is, these days when you write an application, there's a lot you have to worry about. Things like firewall settings, the administrator password, whether your operating system is patched or not. What if you didn't have to worry about any of that? That's the promise of serverless computing. Sure, there is a server. It is running on a server after all, but you don't have to worry about any of that. The cloud infrastructure worries about all that for you. Plus now you can scale to the extent of the cloud. This is the beauty of serverless computing. In this course, I introduce you to the basics of what serverless computing is. We talk about the advantages and the drawbacks of serverless computing. I then show you how you can develop Azure functions and deploy them and even debug them inside of Visual Studio. Then I talk about integrating Azure functions with logic apps and Cosmos DB, which are other serverless computing offerings inside of Azure. And finally, I talk about greenfield applications versus brownfield applications where you may need to integrate legacy applications with Azure functions. Serverless computing is truly the future. No wonder everybody's talking about it. I hope you enjoy this course, and I had fun recording it too. Thank you for watching.